I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your phone. Make a quick backup of system fonts and important data. Then download a trusted iOS style TTF file into download so it's ready. Next, install a font installer app such as ZFont or iFont and give it storage and install permissions. These steps matter because many launchers and theme engines read from those apps. Once the font file and app are in place, you can proceed to converting and applying without hunting for files mid-process. Now you convert and apply the font. Open the font installer, pick local or custom, and locate the iOS TTF you downloaded. If the app asks, choose Android-compatible conversion so glyphs map correctly. Once converted, tap Apply and choose System or Launcher depending on your phone's theme support. The app will ask to replace the default font. Confirm prompts and let the app install. Some changes take effect immediately, others require a reboot, so remain patient while files are written. Finish by rebooting your Infinix to ensure the font applies across menus and apps. Once done, scan the interface for misaligned text or missing characters. If you see problems, revert to your backup or try converting the font again with different compatibility settings. Make sure to clear the font app cache and, if needed, reinstall the installer app. If the system still rejects the font, apply it only to a launcher that supports custom fonts or restore the original font to avoid lasting UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.